Hello everybody, welcome to week 2. Hola a todos, bienvenidos a semana número 2. I'm very proud of the hard work you guys did with that first packet. And I'm very excited to see you again. Estoy muy orgullosa de todo el trabajo que han hecho y estoy muy emocionada para verles. Les extraño mucho. I miss you a lot. But let's get started with week 2. So here it says week 2. For day 1, we're going to follow that same format, where we're going to look at a letter and the sound that it makes. Then we're going to read a book. Today we're going to read about my family. Then we have 2 activities where we can talk and we can write about our book. Entonces, vamos a empezar con 2 páginas con una letra y el sonido. Vamos a leer un libro como Mi Familia. Después tenemos 2 actividades en que podemos hablar y escribir sobre mi familia. Let's get started. So today we're going to be working on the letter E when it makes the sound E. Please repeat after me. Favor de repetir. E, E. For those of you that do foundations, it's like E, ed, E. So let's read our words. Bev has a pen. Here's Bev. That's her name. Bed, red, get on the bus, get off the bus. We can see here she's going to get on, como entrar, and here she's going to get off, subir y bajar. Let's read our sentences. Bev has a pen. Here's Bev with her pen, with the sound. Bev gets off the bus. Yes, here she is. Tab, I remember that's the cat, Tab, gets on the bed. Bev's bed is red. And the pen is not red. Great job. I want you to put pause and practice saying all of the words with the letter E sound. Favor de poner pausa y practicar decir y leer las palabras con la letra I y el sonido E. Pen, bed, red, get. Good. Now let's do page 2. Is Bev? We're going to ask about her. Here are more words with the letter E sound. Bell, pets, men, 7, leg. We're going to read the sentence and look at the picture to say yes or no. Is Bev's leg up? No, her leg is down. Number 2, is Bev in a van? It says bus, so no. Can Bev's doll run? This doll, can it run? ¿Una muñeca puede correr? No. Can the pets run? Yes. Can 7 men jog? Yes. Great. Now we've done looking at my and review of some words. Let's get to read our book, My Family. My family. my mother, my father, my brother, my sister, my grandfather, my grandmother, me. Good. So those were about people in our family. Now you can hit pause, listen to it again. You can repeat or you can read with me. Pueden poner pausa, reescuchar, repetir o leer conmigo. Now let's do some activities. First we have family. We're going to draw your family. Ustedes pueden dibujar sus familias aquí. Draw your family. Here's a picture. Then it says label your family. You're going to write words like mom or mother, me, brother. Go back and use your book to help you find some of these words, like sister and brother. After you draw your family, we're going to write about them. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 different people we're going to write about. Here it says, this is my mother. Este es mi madre. You can draw a picture. If you don't want to draw your mother, that's okay. You can think of a different person in your family who you would put there, because everybody's family is different. Si no quieren dibujar sus mamás, no hay problema. Todas las familias son diferentes y ustedes pueden poner a alguien diferente allí solo para cambiar la palabra. Just change the word. So we're going to do some more, and we're going to use the this is my, and then the person, like this. So I have here first, this is my, our example was mother, or ese es como madre. You can also put mam, como mamá. This is my father, este es mi padre, or this is my dad. But you're going to have 4 words. This is my, and the person. I can do, this is my sister. And you can use the words in your book to help you. And that's everything for today. Great job with all of your work. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.